Opinions. We are swimming in them, drowning in the cacophony of voices echoing through the digital ether. They come at us like a relentless storm, pelting us from every angle, saturating our senses until we are left gasping for clarity. Opinions used to be a whisper in the wind, shared over a cup of coffee or debated around a dinner table. But now they are the thunderous roar of social media feeds, the relentless barrage of hot takes and viral rants, each one vying for attention and demanding validation. And yet, in this sea of noise where everyone has a platform and every voice clamors to be heard, the irony is palpable. For amidst the chaos, the very essence of opinion seems to have been diluted, reduced to sound bites and memes stripped of nuance and depth. Opinions used to be rooted in experience, in the thoughtful reflection and genuine discourse. But now they are reduced to 280 characters or less, hastily typed out in the heat of the moment and devoid of empathy or understanding. We've become a society addicted to outrage, addicted to the rush of indignation that comes from tearing down others' beliefs while clinging stubbornly to our own. We've forgotten how to listen, how to engage in meaningful dialogue that seeks understanding rather than domination. Opinions should be fluid, ever-evolving reflections of our lived experiences and the knowledge we accumulate along the way. But instead, we cling desperately to our convictions, building walls around ourselves to shield us from anything that challenges our worldview. But perhaps, just perhaps, there's a glimmer of hope amidst the chaos. Perhaps buried beneath the rubble of shouting matches and online bitterness, there lies the potential for genuine connection. For in the end, isn't that what opinions are truly about? Not the validation of our egos or the triumph of our ideologies, but the shared journey of navigating this messy, beautiful thing called life. So let us dare to listen, to truly listen to the symphony of voices around us. And in doing so, perhaps we'll find that elusive harmony that can only come from understanding.